So yesterday I was riding the motorcycle to a tree estimate, and then this morning it's like a windy blizzard out here. It's like 38-mile-an-hour winds and it's snowing. Mother Nature just can't decide what she wants to do. No deer this morning. That's a little bit crazy. They must be all sleeping. It is only 10 degrees outside, but yesterday morning a big deer ran right out in front of me right here. Where are you guys? They must be bedded down because that's the least amount of deer I've seen ever. I think you counted it wrong. You counted it wrong. You made me. So we're missing a bolt for this West Coast dog, and I think I'm just gonna replace this one as well. So I've got 2 bolts and 1 nut. Zach, how much do you think that 2 of these little bolts and 1 nut costs?
$30.
They charged me $18 for that.
18.
$18 for 2 screws and 1 nut.
Special, I guess.
Such a good deal. All right, let's put that on. So it's 10 degrees this morning. It's not super windy, but that little bit of wind is making it feel even colder. And we don't normally, I try not to work unless it's like 20 degrees or warmer. But the reason we're working today is it's gonna snow tomorrow, and then it's gonna be under 15 degrees for the next 8 days. So I'm kind of thinking we have to either work today or we can't work for 8 days. And I'm already running into my first problem. I went to start the Avant this morning. It started right up, and then it shuts off after about 10 seconds. So I'm thinking that the fuel must be gelling. So now we have to figure out what we're gonna do. I'm thinking either take this one off the trailer somehow and put the other one on this trailer, or we need to switch trailers. But I can't start the other grapple truck because I didn't have that one plugged in. So yeah, working in the cold weather is never an easy task. Making good progress this morning. Zach's got this back together even though they were the wrong bolts. Spencer sharpened a chainsaw, good job. And then this thing has been shutting off every 10 seconds basically. So I was able to get it off the trailer. I literally pulled it into the shop, and right as I pulled in, it died. So while we're working today, this thing will thaw out, we'll replace the fuel filters, and then she should be good to go. Never a dull moment, huh? Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome to today's job. It's a balmy 12 degrees here in Wisconsin.
Is it really?
It's very cold out this morning. My hands are a little cold.
I'm starting to sweat.
You've already got ice crystals on your thing.
I'm starting to move though. I'm feeling good.
Yep. It is gonna get up to 26 degrees today, and then tomorrow it's gonna snow, and then the next 7 days after that, it's never gonna get above 15 degrees.
Oof.
So even though it's cold today, this is the nicest day in the next 8 days. Oh, and the roads they're salty, but they're at least dry.
Yep.
What's really crazy is I did this estimate on the Goldwing.
Ugh.
Just a couple days ago, it was 48 or 50 degrees.
It was gorgeous.
It was super nice.
It was nice.
It was windy, but it was warm.
Yeah.
Let me show you the job for today. First of all, got the Merlo set up here. We're gonna be taking down this white oak tree, is completely dead. And then over here, I'm thinking maybe we'll pull the Merlo in just a little bit here, just to get it as close as possible, because that's about 50 feet away.
Yeah, I guess if you're all the way up here, you're too close, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is too steep to set it up
I
on.
was thinking you would just pull all the way in.
No,
but no.
That's too much. But yeah, we are gonna take down this ash tree here, and then I told him that he should probably cut that mulberry tree down while we're here.
Oh yeah.
Because it has a split in the trunk, and these mulberry trees are pretty junky trees.
Yeah. best time to cut down a mulberry is when it's like that big.
Right? So I actually looked at another one, which a huge ash tree fell yesterday.
Really?
Onto the high tension power lines.
Oh.
Busted the wires. The power company had to come, but it was still laying like on the comm lines and they were bowed way down. This is a big tree.
Why didn't they get it totally on the ground?
Because the power company doesn't care about anything but their wires. But yeah, yesterday it was super windy, and you know, these dead ash trees, sometimes they just tip over when it gets windy.
It's crazy. Even, no leaves or anything. They're just so dry rotted.
Yep, it was like 35-mile-an-hour
Did
gusts.
it crack off or did it uproot?
It uprooted.
Huh.
And I just did an estimate on the way here, got that job.
Oh, nice.
It's just a little honey locust tree in the front yard.
Okay.
So hopefully we can get this done pretty quickly and we'll go to the next job and then we'll be done for the day. Okay. Let's keep moving and stay warm. Here we go. First cut on this white oak. Ooh. It might be a little bit difficult until everything warms up, you know?
Yeah.
Spencer? Even though you don't have a camera on, my camera is recording your voice now.
Oh, nice.
Because it's like a huge speakerphone in here.
Yeah, I hear myself
Oh, is that kind of annoying?
a little bit.
Hey, my song. Kind of seems like it's already warmed up.
Yeah.
Man, my bar actually warmed up pretty quick.
Yeah.
It's not bad at all now. I think what I'll do is pull the front end of the Merlo in the driveway just a little bit.
Okay.
How's that grab looking?
Yep. Good.
Probably got the whole thing after this, huh?
Yep.
We're good for 9,500 pounds out here, and this is weighing in at 3,600 pounds with the grappler. Oh, hey, this little ash is coming down. You want to just cut it at the base?
Sure.
Going after this little ash tree. Cut it right at the base. My bad. Big shout out to one of my best buddies, Tyler Amstutz. He has a lot of cool tree equipment as well. Some cooler stuff than what I even have. A bigger chipper and a Cenobogan, all kinds of things. But he just sent this in the mail the other day. It's a little Cena base, and I think he just screwed it to this suction cup here. And now I just have a little auxiliary wire going right into my stereo system. So I'll turn the volume up. Spencer, say something.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
So yeah, I don't have to wear headphones anymore. I can just speak into this, and Spencer's voice comes over the stereo speakers. Good job, Tyler. Thank you for making me one. The next task here is we have to cut down this ash tree here, and then also this mulberry tree. And I think I can just grab each one of those leads with the wood cracker and have the boys cut it with a chainsaw. So that mulberry is gonna go pretty quick. We just had to move the chipper truck forward a little bit. So we just created a new landing zone because I can't swing anything this way because of that other tree. Making pretty good time. I'm ready when you are. Spencer, we're only good for 1,500 pounds. Is that okay?
I think so. And as far as looking good. Yeah.
Oh.
Gotta take it to the left.
And my bar kind of stuck. So that was 2,400 with the grapple, and we're good for 3,400. Good for 4,000, and that's 3,500. Spencer.
Thank you.
All right, this job's pretty much done. I just gotta break down the Merlo, put the outrigger pads away. I'll get that loaded back on the trailer, and then we're off to job number 2. Good job. Thank you. The boys are just cleaning up the last few crumbs here. I'm boiling 2 things of water. I got my beans grinding here. I'm gonna make some French press espresso. For some reason, this one boils first. I don't know why. This one's gonna be ready pretty soon too. And I got another round of beans grinding because you gotta grind a double brew for this big French press, a double batch of beans. Batch number 2 of the beans.
Do fast or a little bit.
So quick little change of plans. The neighbor came out and now we are cutting down this oak tree really quick before we go to job number 2. We've got the truck moved forward once again. We'll cut this down quick and then we'll go to job number 2. Here we go. Job number 3. I beat the guys here because I just drove the Merlo right down the road. But I drove those tires up on wood pads so I can get my outriggers out over the curb. Pretty much all set up, ready to go. Gonna cut down this honey locust tree really quick. Here we go. for 5,800. This is 3,900 with the grapple. got this tree all cut down. Now we just gotta do a little rake up here, blow the street down, and load up the Merlo and the Avant. The chips are dumped. Just got to go home and put trucks away, and then hopefully head to Cascade with Rocky to do a little bit of snowboarding. But I just wanted to say thank you for tuning in with us on this project. If you guys would like to see more of this content, please like and subscribe, and we'll be sure to make more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good night. All right, just pulling into Cascade Mountain. And it is 6:59. We only have 1 hour to snowboard.
We're gonna make the best of it.
Do you think it was worth driving?
Yeah.
Well, I think we're only gonna get about 5 runs in. But one kind of cool thing is it is blistering cold, but it started snowing. So we have a little bit of fresh snow on the slopes tonight. And they changed up the park a little bit here. Kind of cool. We're gonna have a little bit of fresh snow before they close.